fucking stupid. I forgot how to make a video. I forgot to I turned off the autofocus and turned it on manual focus because my camera keeps zooming out. Every time I zoom in, it zooms back out. But whatever. I bought the iPhone, the Apple's iPhone MagSafe battery pack, whatever the hell you want to call it. Too many damn names. I'm going to unbox it now, and then in a few days I'm going to do a little review of what I think. I think people have got the idea. I'm not sure. Well, I don't even know if Apple knows what they're doing at this point, but I like how it feels. This part has kind of a rubbery kind of texture to it. And then, from what I understand, this part is what is the magnetic part that charges your phone and connects to your phone, and then this part keeps it aligned to the case. All kinds of manuals and shit that nobody reads. Who the hell can read this? An ant couldn't read this writing. It won't even show up on camera. Who the hell? I wear glasses and I can't even see with my glasses on. I'm so frickin' blind. Fucking short and fat and stupid and sound ugly and can't see and can't do anything cool. Yeah, so far I like the way it looks. I like the size. I like the way it feels. So yeah, I'm gonna go use this now, and hopefully not drop it. I can't catch either. Yeah, bye. I'm so damn retarded I forgot something. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got the Pacific Blue leather case. I got this yesterday. This doesn't even feel like leather, by the way. This doesn't feel anything at all like leather. But yeah, I can at least, excuse me a second. I can at least connect it to the phone and show you. For anyone who doesn't know, the leather case has a MagSafe thing built into it. Watch my phone when I attach the case. It does that. I thought that was cool. I was sitting here yesterday and today taking my phone out of the case and putting it back in just so I can watch the phone do that. Let's see. Our phone can charge to approximately 90% while using a MagSafe battery pack. So, yeah, I'm still going to use this a few days just kind of mess around with it. Because I don't think this is designed necessarily to, like, I don't think you necessarily are supposed to charge your phone with the battery pack. I think you're supposed to have the battery pack in your phone charged to 100% and then use the battery pack to extend the life of your battery, of your iPhone, if that makes sense. That's what I think. But, yeah. See you later.